How to transfer your posts to Daybook on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your posts to Daybook on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and here just click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then click next. And now just click Daybook and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with Daybook by clicking this one here, connect, and that's it. Then just enter your Daybook account, and don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.